Like, spiel. Hi, I thought you were listening. I thought you were listening. I was giving it the big drama and all that, thinking you were listening on the other side. Well, she fell asleep and fucked off.
Pick up the phone. Are you deaf? Pick up the phone. Pick up the phone. Asshole, pick up.
Lisa, wakey, wakey, my darling. Are the candles blown out?
I think she's probably blown them out now. Go again.
You will not want to smoke brandy. Spice rum.
You can't smoke brandy!
Or drink vodka. You have to stay away from Morrison's meat counters. Where Randy Angus's work. You have to steer clear of there. Are we alive or are we dead or what the fuck is happening here?
I need to go to bed, I'm pissed. Oh! I've got 3 missed calls and 2 new messages! What? Hi. Go.
And you will love the Oscar. And promise never to jam his tail in the fucking boot of the car like you did to my Zeus when he was just a wee furball puppy. Or the hair in your skin. Tell her.
Go.
Lucy, Melissa is now officially allowed to take the shotgun from the kitchen and shoot her mother for sounding like a wee Glaswegian Ned. I'm going to have to send her dad round.
Lisa?
Lisa, if you don't get up, I'm going to send Mr. Lonely round to make sure that all the candles are out and that. You don't got any men hiding under your bed or anything.
Lisa?
Oh. Lisa, Angus is on his way round.
Angus is on his way!
To the weekend with fucking bleeding eyes because I had no fucking sleep with you snoring and Monica
Bleeding
fucking
eyes.
Aye. Fucking bleeding eyes. Snores and spews and oh my god, no wonder I was fucking bleeding from the eyes when I got home. Just comedian, Joe Brand.
Mom, you're trying to wake up. Lisa, pick up the phone. Are you deaf?
So I says, Melissa, right, just put her back on and I say, Lucy, my dear, this is Melissa's real mother. The phantom mother has gone to her bed. I'm the one without the bump on her. Lucy, my dear. I've just done a 26-mile fucking marathon round your house answering phones. She went, have you tried living in Siberia? It's fucking freezing in here. I said, I know, I spent the night
I thought she was in Rhodes the other night.
Why, I was... She'll be saying, Lucy will be saying, she's a fucking nut job. Hold on, I'm not hearing her snoring anymore. Hello, are we snoring or are we no snoring? We're snoring. We're still there.